Hi, my name is Ryan Ruthmeyer, and I'm the president here at Western Pump.
Clients should choose Western Pump because we provide the highest quality of standard as well as a timely installation. We're very precise on how we install product or items or construction.
Well, they should choose Western Pump because we're one-of-a-kind business. We're all over Southern California, Arizona, we're out in the desert. We take care of break and fix, we can take care of preventative maintenance, we can take care of all of your petroleum and vehicle service equipment needs. We have well over 50 vehicles out on the road, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. There's really no need to go anywhere else.
Customers are our number one priority. We are here to make things easier, life a little bit easier in construction. We can go design it for you, we can build it for you, we can do everything ground up for you, from conception to design to build.
We have a wonderful team of employees and specialists in the industry that know what they're doing. They're well trained, they're fully certified, and they offer the best in the field and in the industry to accomplish the work that our customers and clients need us to perform.
Western Pump strives to provide a quality of service and satisfaction unmatched in the fueling industry today.
Customers should choose Western Pump because we can help them 24/7. We have the best trained field technicians in the industry, and we know that when we send our technician to your store, it's going to be fixed right the first time.
The goal of all employees is to delight the customer. As a family-owned business, that's where our ethics and integrity really come into play, because we want every customer to be delighted.
Here at Western Pump, we are committed to exceeding our customers' expectation, and we have the best team in town.